Yeah, noob. Man, what do you... No! No! What? Ugh. Let's get Matt over here, man. Hey, Matt, I need your help with these guys.
Let's go pwn some noobs.
Alright, let's do this.
Finally.
Come on.
Man, I was getting owned out there, man.
Alright, you ready?
But I have one rule. Don't touch my cookies.
Alright, man. Alright.
Alright, let's go. What? I died again, man.
Dude.
You have to have my back.
Alright.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Don't touch my cookies.
He's gone, yeah.